Is Costco stock a buy now? That's a question that many investors are asking after Costco announced its latest earnings report for its quarter two earnings. And in reaction, the stock tumbled about 3% after hours, despite its share being up by about 1% during the day. In this video, we'll cover the latest news of Costco and its latest earnings report. We'll also cover the price target for Costco stock and discuss that here. Costco, which is traded on NASDAQ with ticker symbol COST, reported quarterly earnings per share of $2.92, beating the 𝐻𝐋𝐈𝐖𝐊 consensus estimate of $2.69 per share. It is worth mentioning that over the last 4 quarters, Costco has surpassed consensus earnings per share estimates 4 times. This quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of 8.55%. A quarter ago, it was expected that Costco would post earnings of $2.59 per share, when it actually produced earnings of $2.97, delivering a surprise of 14.67%. What's more, Costco reported revenue of $51.9 billion for the quarter, surpassing the 𝐻𝐋𝐈𝐖𝐊 consensus estimates by 1.17%. This compares to the year ago revenue of $44.77 billion. The company has topped consensus revenue estimates 3 times over the last 4 quarters. Despite these impressive figures, you might be wondering why Costco shares have tumbled after hours. There are a number of key reasons here. First, it is worth remembering that Costco has been a major pandemic winner, but that's also led to higher expectations. While it was a good quarter overall, investors may be pausing at February comparable sales, which were up 10.6%, which were a bit of a slowdown from January and December. In addition, adjusted e-commerce growth came at 12.6% for the quarter, compared with growth of nearly 75% in the year ago period. While digital sales were always going to cool down from pandemic highs, that figure may have come down more quickly than some expected it. Costco stock is down about 7% since the start of the year, which is comparable to a negative 8% return for the S&P 500. Although Costco stock has gained more than 60% in the past 12 months, well above the S&P 500's total return of 14.2%. A look at Costco's consolidated balance sheet shows over $32.5 billion in current assets by February 13 of 2022, surpassing the company's current liabilities of $31.5 billion, resulting in a current ratio of over 1, which is desirable. The current ratio measures a company's ability to pay current or short-term liabilities, such as debt and payables, with its current or short-term assets, such as cash, inventory, and receivables. Costco has over $63 billion in total assets, exceeding its total liabilities of almost $43 billion, giving it a healthy balance sheet. It is worth mentioning that Costco's comparable sales grew 14.4% year over year, marking a slight deceleration from the previous quarter's pace of growth. Costco, which operates on membership-based model, defines comparable sales as net sales generated from its membership warehouses, including relocations, remodels, and expansions, as well as e-commerce websites that have been in operation for over 1 year. Growth in comparable sales is achieved through an increase in the shopping frequency from new and existing members, as well as in the amount they spend per visit. When comparable sales are growing, it is a sign that existing sales channels have not yet saturated the local market, nor are those sales being cannibalized by the company's newly opened stores. From a price prediction perspective, analysts on TipRanks give the Costco stock a 1-year average price target of $578.15, which is an upside of 8.5% based on the last traded price. Of the 21 analysts covering this stock, 17 of them have a buy rating, 4 have a hold rating, and no one has a sell rating, giving the Costco stock a strong buy rating. Also, analysts on Yahoo Finance have a 1-year price forecast of $557.21, suggesting an 8% upside based on the after-hours price of $517.77. Are you buying shares of Costco stock at this time? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this stock analysis video on Moementum Finance channel. If you gained something of value from it, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos related to investing and financial education. See you next time.